So what is up, people? In this video I will explain how you can convert your images into WebP NextGen formats in your WordPress site. So let me just go to page speed insights. So WebP format or NextGen format images have become very essential since the release of Core Web Vitals algorithm update. Therefore, let me just show you a quick data. So this is gonna take a while. Here we go. And there are 29 past audits, and one of them is serve images in NextGen formats. That says image formats like JPEG 2000, JPEG XR, WebP often provide better compression than PNG or JPEG, which means faster downloads and less data consumption. So it says learn more. And why serve images in AVI WebP format? AVIF and WebP are images formats that have superior compression and quality characteristics compared to their older JPEG and PNG counterparts. In simple sense, this will improve your page loading speed. So another thing that I want to show is I go to my site. My net is kind of slow because it's overloaded today. So if I open this image in a new tab, and here you can see it's in the WebP format. Alright, let me just close this and let me show you how to convert image to WebP format in WordPress. So I'm here in WordPress dashboard and I need to go to plugins and add new. So I'm here in the plugins, add plugins section. I need to search for EWWW image. So this plugin, EWWW image optimizer. So I've already installed and activated this. Once you do that, you just need to go to settings. Where is it? Here we go. EU image optimizer. I guess that's what we call it. EU. I don't know how to exactly pronounce that. Okay. Here in the settings for the image optimization plugin, you can just stick with the free mode for now, and what you need to check is remove metadata. Let's just not resize images, and you can also enable lazy load if you wish, but I optimize my images for lazy load through another plugin. So this is the main part, WebP conversion. You just need to enable this check mark that says convert your images to NextGen format for supported browser, etc. If this is unchecked, check it. And WebP delivery mode, your site is using Cloudflare, please use JS WebP rating. You can use either JS or picture rewriting. I'm just gonna use JavaScript WebP rewriting and just click save changes. Alright, once you're done with that, here you have bulk optimizer. That's not the end. You just need to go to bulk optimizer and scan for unoptimized images and let the plugin do the job, and boom, your all the images on your WordPress site will be converted into NextGen format, which is the WebP format. So that is how we do it. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.